So today we're going to be looking at a very useful productivity tool, or a tool that could be used to help your productivity, or just a reminder to do certain tasks. If you're someone that doesn't necessarily look at notifications, but you're always on your computer, this tool is always sat on your desktop. It's really useful. Let's get into what it is. It's called Stickies, and we're just going to go into Launchpad and have a look for it. Typically, it's stored in the other folder. It looks like this. Stickies, click on it. Once it's open, you'll tell at the top up here if it's open or not. You may be presented with a blank note, you may not. If you're not, you can simply just click File, New Note, or Command N. We'll just do another note now. As you can see there, we have another note, and we can drag these and put them anywhere we want. Another cool thing about this is that we can change the colour of the notes. So let's say we want different tasks. So I'm just going to write on this one. I'm going to write test note on this one, and we'll put test note 2 on this one. Another cool thing we can do is we can also change the fonts. We can make this bold. We can also make it bigger. And once you get to learn this application and how useful it is, you can also use all the command shortcuts that will help you use the program quicker and more efficiently. As you can see here, the very basic shortcuts to remember. As you can see here, you can make the text bigger, you can make it smaller, you can underline the text. So as I mentioned before, one of the great things about these notes is you just put them on your desktop and you can just leave them there in case you want to remind yourself of appointments or just extra reminders, or even like a little work list or something. Unlike other apps like Notes that are equally powerful, this has the added benefit of always being on the desktop. So you can see now, even if we say just open up an app right here, you're going to see that those sticky notes are still behind. And even if you lock your computer, they will still be there. So let's say you want to delete a note and you're all done with that particular note. All you have to do is click on the note, and you'll see up here in the left hand corner there's a little square, and you just click that and you can just delete the note. Very simple. So that's the basics on how to use Stickies. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.